In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a table into Notion. As you can see right now, I'm on Notion. What you can do, you can go to a page where you want, for example, this one or this one. You can hit the plus icon and here we can type in table. We can just search for it as well here. And this is just the basic table. We can make it a little bit bigger. A few of the options like header columns, header rows. You can see that's basically how that will look like. Options, if we enable this, you can see the color slightly changes. And what we can also do, we can put this on different pages by duplicating it, copy link to a blog, or turn into a database. Right now it's not a database, I have just put it into this page like this, but we can hit this button as well, and then it turns into a database. From here we can also delete it, we can add more different options to this, and that's what I would always recommend you to do. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.